This is how I put myself into a room full of TVs without actually having any TVs at all. So first I open Blender, which is a free 3D software available on PC. It looks very scary at first, but YouTube is all you need to learn. Then I hit A and X and delete everything. I added plane, then I extrude up to create this photography kind of background. This is the methods photographers use to create infinity backgrounds. That's the name I know it for. It might be called differently. I add the clips of my video. This is very important since I didn't feel like spending 2 days trying to chroma key a green background wearing a greenish blue wig. I used a black background instead, so it looks seamless when importing it into the other black background. I'm terrible at explaining. Then I go to Sketchfab because I'm not gonna spend days modeling TVs for a 10-second video to get 100 views. And some of my friends actually helped me with ideas because I was really sick that week and I couldn't even think. I just wanted to sleep and cry all day, so thank you so much. I import some royalty-free stuff, and I'm actually remaking the background for this video since when I made it, I didn't film the process. Once I'm happy with how the scene looks, I add some camera movements so it's not too boring. And then I let it render for 1,000 hours because my computer is slow as shit. And that's it. 7 hours in 10 seconds. You're welcome.
And you don't seem to